stand in the same line together. र म हाम्रो स्कोरर्स दुईजना स्कोररहरूमध्ये एकजनाबाट टप 5 को लिस्ट लिन चाहे। Alright girls, are you ready? Are you nervous? कस्तो छ टप 5 मा पुग्ने त 10 जना मध्येमा हामी 5 मा झर्छौं and then we will be having our question answer round. Okay ladies, I'll have to do this. Alright, so I will be announcing the name of our top 5 contestants. Somebody naam Lina Bittikai, please have your seat in this chair. Are we ready, audience? Come on, are we ready? Obviously, अलिकति energy आउने पर्यो अलिकति सेल राख्नु भएको थियो मैले केही पनि भनेन but now is the turn to show your energy because हाम्रो contestants-हरुले मात्र गरेर हुँदैन judges-हरुको मात्र रोलले हुँदैन but audiences come on हैन र Alright, so the first contestant to reach on top 5 is contestant number 14 Shrikala Samba Hampe. Shrikala, please have your seat. Alright, so the next contestant to reach on top 5, who else can be? Come on, cool, like a top 5 man. More, you got matter there. I got to say, some more, cool, like a. Alright, so we have contestant number 11, Smriti Rai. All fine, so our contestant who is successful to reach on top 5 is contestant number 20, Anjali Shah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just 2 seats remaining. After what happened, any other guesses? Who might be? The performance skill. Make some noise, Ajay. Okay, so the next contestant to reach on top 5 is contestant number 8, Sonia Rai. Okay, so last seat remaining, just every seat to enter on top 5. Once more. Yeah, at least 3-4 वर्षको बाबुले हुटी गराउनु भएको छ. Come on, what happened? More noise? Okay, alright. Okay ladies, 6 जना मध्येमा it's even hard for me. मेरो लागि पनि गाह्रो भइरहेको छ. यस्तो pretty ladies-हरु मध्येमा 6 जना मध्येमा मैले अब एकजना मात्रै सेलेक्ट गर्नु परेको छ. So, the last seat, the last contestant who have reached top 5 is contestant number 19, Ipsha Shrestha. Alright, thank you so much to all of our remaining ladies. Just do not forget that you did great. I'd like to request our 5 contestants to stay backward and exit. Alright, so ladies, our top 5. So here we present you top 5 contestants of Karan Dental, Mr. and Miss Grace SC Karan 2025 Season 2. So ladies, please have your seat. sheet of paper मा आफ्नो नाम and contestant number लेखेर रेडी हुनु होला. So तपाईँहरूलाई एउटा आई थिङ्क रुल त सबैलाई थाहा नै छ होला हाम्रो कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरूमध्ये पनि अब वान अफ द जजेस विल बी आस्किङ यु वान सिमिलर क्वेसन वान सेम क्वेसन र तपाईँहरूलाई 3 मिनट्सको अवधिमा त्यो क्वेसनको आन्सर रिटन हुनुपर्नेछ एन्ड देन वान्स आई से यु टु स्टप यु मस्ट स्टप है रोकिनुपर्छ 3 मिनट्सको भित्रमा एन्ड देन आफूले जे लेखेको छ त्यो नै एक्ज्याक्टली पढ्नुपर्छ नट इभन अ सिङ्गल वर्ड सुड बी एडेड अर डिडक्टेड बुझ्नुभयो है कुनै पनि वर्ड या शब्द एड या डिडक्ट हुन भएन एक्ज्याक्टली सेम लेख्नुपर्छ सो आई वुड लाइक टु रिक्वेस्ट आवर चिफ जज मिस्टर आदेश प्रधान टु आस्क the same question to the judge, to our contestants.
Hello girls, how are you? Okay, so I'm excited for the final question. Okay, congratulations. And your questions goes like this. I'll ask the question twice, 2 times in Nepali and 2 times in English. You'll have some time to think about it. And if you don't get the questions right, I can ask again, okay? Okay, so it's a pretty easy question. We all know what beauty is, but we want to see what's beauty on your definition, right? So the question goes like this. What makes a person truly beautiful? That's it. What makes a person truly beautiful? In Nepali, एउटा व्यक्ति साँच्चीकै सुन्दर बन्नको लागि के आवश्यक छ? एउटा व्यक्ति साँच्चीकै सुन्दर बन्नको लागि के आवश्यक छ? Do you guys get it? Or do I need to ask again?
Does he need to ask again this question? Are you all clear about it? Clear means it. Okay, thank you to our judge. So I again would like to request and will display my say 3 minutes for timing session बजाइदिनु होला. And once I say to start, you can start later. Can you please have the timer on? Okay, ladies, your time starts now. Ladies, you just have 1 minute left. Alright, so now I would like to call contestant number 19 to be on stage with Agadi. The rule has I आफूले जे लेख्नु भएको छ त्यो एक्ज्याक्ट पढेर हाम्रो जजेसहरूलाई सुनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ without adding over or subtracting. आफ्नो नाम र contestant number भनेर हाम्रो जजेसहरूलाई आन्सर गर्नुपर्छ, right? Okay.
Thank you for the question, all of the judges. And my answer goes like this. For me, beauty is discipline and dedication also. When there is beauty, it could be possible everything. For me, beauty have to lie everywhere. When there is beauty, it looks beautiful naturally. For this patient, beauty is also very important and all contestants are beautiful as well. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 19. Contestant number 8. Just tell your name and your contestant number. त्यसपछि आफ्नो आन्सर भन्नुहोला.
धन्यवाद कार्डन चानकाज्यू. म सोनिया राई, कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 8 र मेरो उत्तर यस प्रकारको रहेको छ. एउटा व्यक्तिलाई साँच्चीकै सुन्दर हुन आवश्यक चिज भनेको उसको व्यवहार हो. कति व्यक्ति बाहिरी रूपबाट नै सुन्दर हुन्छन्, तर साँच्चीकै सुन्दर चाहिँ सबैलाई समान सोच्ने, सबैलाई मान सम्मान गर्ने, ठुलालाई आदर र सानालाई स्नेह गर्ने पवित्र हृदय हुनुपर्छ. त्यसैले हामी सबै बाहिरीबाट भन्दा भित्री हृदयबाट सुन्दर हुनुपर्छ भन्दैबाट बिदा हुन चाहन्छु. हस्त, धन्यवाद. तपाईँहरूको समय मङ्गल गरोस्.
Thank you, contestant number 8. Now I would like to call contestant number 20 to be on the center.
Thank you for the mic, ma'am. I am Anjali Saha and contestant number 20. Firstly, thank you for the thoughtful question. And my answer goes like this. My definition of beauty is not about the physical appearance, but about the inner character, kindness, confidence, and beauty, because that kind of beauty shines forever. As I believe that physical appearance beauty fades through the time, so I think that my definition regarding the beauty context is about the person, value, character, and passion. And I know I am working toward that inner beauty and character, and also I have set it on my character. Thank you. Have a great time ahead. And for audience, enjoy the program.
Thank you, contestant number 20. Now it's time for our contestant number 11.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everybody. This is me, Smriti Rai, contestant number 11. And my answer goes like this. As a girl, I believe that beauty is not about physical appearance, but it's about our kindness and respect towards other people. So for me, what makes a person truly beautiful is their good behaviors towards other people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and our last lady of top 5. Can I please request contestant number 14 to read out your answer?
Thank you for the question, sir. I am contestant number 14, Srikala Samvangte, and my answer goes like this. I think we all know that beauty is subjective, but to me, beauty means being beautiful both inside and outside. A beautiful person has the qualities like kindness, empathy, and compassion. And I know that I also have those values, and I am definitely beautiful. Thank you.
Well done, girls, well done. So here we end our top 5 announcement and our question answer round as well. So thank you so much to all of our girls. फेरि पनि म तपाईहरुलाई स्टेजमा बोलाउँछु. So अहिलेको लागि you can just leave slowly.